I'm Judy Shaw for NYSE Floor Talk. Joining me today is Fred Schebesta. He is the co-founder of Finder.com. Fred, thank you so much for joining me today.
Thank you. Thanks for being here. It's great.
Fred, finding the right credit card, the right mortgage, the right insurance can be such a daunting task. Now, Finder can help. Can you tell me about that? How can you help?
Yeah, so we put all the products in one place, so you can easily compare them side by side. It's a free service, and you basically can find a better deal. And we're building this new application that will actually automate that entire process for you. So it connects to your bank account, works out what products you've got, and then tells you where you can save money.
Now, you were just telling me the company is 10 years old. You started with no funding. How did you do that?
You know, I guess I'm a bit of a hustler in that sense. I don't know if I can say that, but I think what I believe in is not necessarily just creating like unicorn companies. I believe in creating phoenix companies, ones that recreate themselves continuously, and we're about in that process right now. So we build a real company that makes profits, that pays taxes, pays dividends. It's a real company, and that's what I think is missing right now. I guess in the markets here as well, right? Is not just valuations on speculation, but actual real companies, and that will last and survive and endure. And that's what we've tried to create from the beginning. So that's why I always thought, let's just start small and be okay with being small. And then over time, we'll keep scaling and growing. And now we're in 83 different countries, comparing over 1,000 different categories.
Okay, so you have a new app that's launching on March 15th. Tell me about that app and how it will help consumers.
So, there's a major trend right now in consumer empowerment where if you look at the UK, if you look at Australia, you look at Canada, there's this thing called open banking where there's technology which gives you your actual financial data. So there are cables that actually plug in, like API cables, so like little interfaces. And there's a major explosion happening in fintech in the UK right now. And this is starting to spread all around the world, right? And what we've done is built an application that allows you to connect your data up to our application, and we'll actually automatically compare your products. And I know that sounds pretty wild, right? Mm-hmm. But imagine a robot just always saving you money and making suggestions. That's what I think the world's going to, right? I think that's the future of finance, is where you don't have to get confused or stay with one bank. You can actually spread out your finances, have one place to aggregate it together so you can see them all in one place and save yourself money automatically.
Okay, Fred, tell me what's next. How will you continue to grow the company?
So we're rolling out Finder. We're here in the US. It's great. We're continuing to expand our US business. We're going to obviously keep growing it here and comparing more things because we love to do that. Like if you imagine Finder in the future, it's going to be like the Amazon of comparison. Like we'll literally compare everything. And as well, you'll have an application on your phone where it'll automatically be doing this for you, which is a big vision, right? Our vision is to better all the world's decisions. Super exciting, a big vision. And I think, one of the things is we feel it's just day one. We've only just begun. It's 10 years now we've been doing this, but it is day one still.
That's great. Fred Schebesta, thank you so much for joining me.
Thanks very much, Judy.